Hello again. This video concerns how to use Google Scholar to find articles for your um, cause effect paper. Here, you're going to simply type in Google Scholar from the homepage, and there it comes up for me. No, I really don't want to speak. Google Scholar, there it is. And here we are. Notice that even Google Scholar will offer you help with citations, and you should take it because that's one thing that artificial intelligence is good at, and it doesn't violate our plagiarism policy. I'm going to take the same topic, cheating in high school, and let's take a look at what comes up under Google Scholar. Now, be prepared that some of these articles will not be available. Do not pay for any articles. There are plenty of free articles available on Google Scholar, and the Fairmont State article library is free to you to use. So do not pay for any articles you see here. I am fascinated by this cheating differences between the sexes, but unfortunately it does violate my criteria. It's 40 years old. And so I think that's just too old to be useful on an important topic like this. This is one of the articles we already looked at. You've already got that one. So is that one. The fuzzy logic article is too long ago as well. I don't think we saw this one. Under Pressure and Under Engaged, Motivational Profiles and Academic in High School. I don't remember seeing that one. Let's see if we can get this one for free. Accept cookies. All right, so let's see. How much can we get here? Not a whole lot. Looks like that one's not going to be available. And that's the part of the problem with Google Scholar. Inviting though it is, a lot of the materials on it, you have to have access to databases like Fairmont State to be able to actually get the articles you see here. Again, let the dates of the publications be important to you. This one might transition from middle school to high school. That might be useful. How much of that article can we get? Because it's old with the whole thing, it looks like. Access to your organization, yes. You can sign in to Fairmont State here and get the whole thing. When it says that, it's probably they're not giving you the whole thing here, but they do offer citation. When it says cite, that means what is the how would you cite this article? And I guess I will save it. How does that show up? Not particularly helpful, though it does give an abstract there for the article, which is more than I'd expect. There are problems with Google Scholar that there are not with the other sources, mainly access. Mainly when you use Google Scholar, there's a good chance that a number of the articles they bring up are not going to be available to you because they're proprietary. And with the Fairmont State database, because we pay to get them, you should never pay to get articles from Google Scholar because we pay through Fairmont State to get these for you. And chances are you can get an article that you find on Google Scholar through the databases at Fairmont State because these are good quality articles. Again, most of these you will have seen on the Fairmont State source. Again, watch your dates. In Advantage tools might be interesting. Asking for cookies. Want to read article? How much? What you have to do? Here's the abstract of the article, so you know whether or not it's worth it. Log in via your. You're not going to pay $53. That's ridiculous. If you are interested in this article, I would advise that you copy, go back to Fairmont State Library, type in the title, and let's see if it will come up. And indeed it did, and Fairmont State will give you the full text. So click on the full text button, and you'll be able to read the entire article. So that's what I recommend that you do. Copy and paste, and there it is. There's the whole article. You can read the whole thing. There it is. Okay. All right. So now your task is to find. I would recommend that you find at least 5 articles that you think are good, and it's going to take you some time. Don't just pick the first 2 or 3 that you see. Make sure that they really seem to have something of value to you. You want to pay attention to the abstract, which will tell you what the article is about, um, and um, and make sure the article is current. And by current, I mean within the last 20 years as opposed to the last 50 years. So anything since 2000 is acceptable.